The Senate has reached an agreement to avoid using a so-called nuclear option to change filibuster rules. A bipartisan deal was struck last night, paving the way for confirmation votes on President Obama's nominees, held up by Republicans.
But today in the House, the GOP could vote to delay two key parts of the president's signature health care law. They've done it before. Nancy Cordes is on Capitol Hill. Nancy, good morning.
Good morning, Nora and Charlie. There are two mandates at the heart of this law. One requires individuals to get insurance. The other requires medium and large-sized businesses to offer it to their full-time employees. Well, House Republicans are saying today both mandates are flawed and should be delayed or killed, while Democrats say this is yet another attempt to derail the law of the land.
The law isn't wonderful. It's a train wreck.
A pair of setbacks for the president's signature health care law gave Republicans the opening they were looking for. First, the White House announced it was pushing the law's employer mandate back by a year because businesses complained it was too complex. Then some union leaders who initially backed the law sent a letter to the president expressing deep concerns about that employer mandate, saying it creates an incentive for employers to keep employees' work hours below 30 hours a week. House Majority Leader Eric Cantor.
What you're seeing now are individuals and groups from different camps, from both sides of the political aisle, saying, wait a minute, this thing is going to be a nightmare.
The White House says the law's problems are being overblown, and Democrats argue bumps in the road should be expected with a plan of this size.
If there are unintended consequences, the answer to that is to work together to solve them. The answer is not, let's get rid of the entire Affordable Care Act and throw the baby out with the bathwater.
What's wrong with the White House saying, look, we had an ambitious timeline, we're not going to meet it, so in order to implement Obamacare properly, we're going to push this deadline off?
You know, it's so striking that all of a sudden the White House has actually come to a point where they've had to admit that Obamacare doesn't work. And that's the way
They didn't say it doesn't work, they just said they need more time.
They clearly have a provision at the law that will not work. And they say it's not ready now. We say it will never be ready.
And he and other Republicans argue, Charlie and Nora, it's not fair to postpone the employer mandate, but still require individuals to begin purchasing insurance in October.
The fight goes on. Nancy Cordes, thank you.